Let's learn A to Z with items you can find in a kitchen.
A.
A is for apron. Wear it to stay clean.
B.
B is for blender. It whirls with a spin.
C.
C is for cutting board. Cut food into small bits on a cutting board.
D.
D is for dish rack. It helps things dry.
E.
E is for electric kettle. For boiling water for tea. But don't touch it without help from a grown-up.
F.
F is for fork. To pick up your bite.
G.
G is for grater. To shred cheese or vegetables.
H.
H is for hot pad. It protects us from hot items in the kitchen.
I.
I is for ice tray. It freezes cold cubes.
J.
J is for jug. It holds water or juice.
K.
K is for knife. Be careful, it's sharp. We use it to cut food, veggies, and lots more, but remember it should only be used by grown-ups.
L.
L is for ladle. It scoops out your soups and stew.
M.
M is for mixing bowl. You can mix anything with a mixing bowl.
N.
N is for napkin. To wipe your hands while in the kitchen.
O.
O is for oven. Cakes, pies, and turkey are baked in the oven, ready to eat.
P.
P is for pot. Food is cooked in pots for us to eat.
Q.
Q is for quartz container. Store leftovers in containers.
R.
R is for rolling pin. Roll out your dough.
S.
S is for stove. Used to cook delicious meals to eat.
T.
T is for toaster. For yummy toasty bread. Perfect for a sandwich.
U.
U is for utensils. Utensils is the general name for forks, knives, spoons, and other items that help us cook.
V.
V is for vegetable chopper. Helps you slice vegetables for delicious salads.
W.
W is for waffle maker. For a yummy and crispy waffle snack.
Y.
Y is for yogurt maker. Yum, smooth and cold.
Z.
Z is for Ziplock bags. Used for keeping food items fresh and clean. Well done.
Good job.
You have learned new words from A to Z by identifying things in the kitchen. Keep learning, keep exploring.
Thanks for watching A to Z Learning. Like and subscribe.